Publisher recruitment is essential to growing your affiliate program. On average, 60% of an advertiser's program revenue comes from publishers recruited after the first year, so it's important to continuously recruit new publishers for your program. CJ's Recruit Partners tool can help you navigate our vast publisher network, customize your recruitment efforts, and easily discover new partners that fit your brand. To get started, navigate to the Partners, Recruitment, Recruit Partners section of your account. Then, enter your key criteria in the search field to identify new partners who are relevant to your brand. You can search for broad terms like travel or fashion, or more specific terms like pet health. You can also further narrow down your recruitment by pairing a keyword search with the dynamic filters on the right-hand side. If you'd like to review the available filter options, use the tooltip labeled Filter Definitions in the top right corner under the Apply button. After performing a keyword search and/or applying the relevant filters, you'll see publisher results populate. Click on a publisher's name to access their profile and review their website and social metrics supported by our strategic partners SimilarWeb and Creator IQ. Here, you'll also find information such as top performing categories, contact information, promotional properties, and more. If you'd like to make an offer to a publisher, click Make Offer in the publisher's profile and select the program terms you would like to extend. Pushing an offer can also be done in bulk in your main results page, along with adding partners to a favorites list, downloading the full recruitment list, or sharing the list with a colleague. To do so, select one or more partners by clicking on the checkbox next to the publisher profile, or select all by clicking on the checkbox on the top of the list. After the relevant publishers are selected, you'll see a gray pane pop up at the bottom of your window listing a handful of options. You can make an offer to these partners to join your program, add them to your favorites list, download your recruitment list, share your recruitment list with a colleague via URL or email. To view your favorites later, use the drop-down field in the upper left-hand corner and choose My Favorites. CJ is constantly recruiting new partners to the network, so make sure to visit this tab frequently.